Todos Santos is an island off the coast of Ensenada, Baja California, and it is located about 8 miles off the coast in the middle of the bay, so it's right in the middle of the mouth of a funnel. So all the swells come from the North Pacific, just channel right into the bay and hit the island like a big rock out in the middle and break down a reef. Well, I started surfing Todos Santos in the mid-'80s. Had been surfing in Hawaii and wanted to get some big, powerful waves, and it was the closest place. So went down there and checked it out. It's really special to me because it's got these great big waves. I've caught my biggest wave I've ever ridden there, and really all my big wave knowledge has basically come from experience out there. And having a contest there is something that was always my dream from early 90s. We finally got one together in 98 and had another in 99. And then last year with the Big Wave World Tour, we had an epic contest. Looking forward to doing it again this year with Peligrosa Tequila.